Hello YouTube, my name is Katt and today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this afro-y look. Hey y'all, today I'm going to be showing you how I achieve my curly afro. I'm going to insert a picture right here.
Okay guys, so the first thing you want to do is spray your hair with the water bottle. Make sure it has good moisture and it's wet and damp so that you can work the product through your hair. Then you're going to take your brush of your choice. I usually use the diamond brush because it is great for detangling. And then you can take any cream of your choice and then apply that to that one strand of hair, that one section of hair that you have parted. People say a dime size, but I usually prefer more than that because I have high porosity hair, so I need as much moisture as I can get. Then you're going to take your gel to hold the curls in place and apply that to the same section that you have parted. And as you can see, guys, it's starting to get some type of definition back there. So as you can see here, I'm taking one section of my hair and I'm taking it around my finger and I'm twisting it from the root to the very end. And you just take each strand in that section and you repeat the same process around your whole head. Another thing that I want to mention is that as you're curling, make sure to scrunch your hair for volume. As you can see the difference of my hair when it's dry and when it's wet, it's a complete difference.